Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of the things that I most enjoy about the festive period over Christmas is the strange dead time that you get between Christmas Day and Boxing Day, the 25th and 26th of December, and New Year's Eve, December the 31st. It's a strange time because usually you're off work, you've still got a little bit of food left in the fridge from Christmas, maybe a few stray slices of cake and a few mince pies left over. You don't really have any responsibilities, there's nowhere you're supposed to be, nothing that you're supposed to be doing, and your time is your own to use as you wish. Personally, one of the things that I really like doing most of all during these days is just slobbing out or slobbing around. In other words, I like to spend my time being lazy and doing as little as humanly possible. Sometimes I don't bother to shave. Occasionally, I don't even bother to get dressed properly in the morning. I basically just lie around or laze around, wearing whatever I feel like wearing, maybe doing a bit of reading, maybe watching rubbish TV, maybe listening to records, basically just taking it very, very easy. You may know the idea of someone being a slob or a bit of a slob. It's an idea that's epitomised by Homer Simpson, the father in The Simpsons, who is a kind of everyman character in his laziness and untidiness. And I guess the idea of slobbing out or slobbing around basically involves accessing your inner Homer Simpson, being Homer for a few hours, or in this case, a few days. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your students, your friends, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear about times when you just slob out.